Pleasant to the feet. Rigid floors have anti-slip properties that are much better than most other floor coverings, whatever footwear you own. That has been proven. Furthermore, our SPC floors are very resilient and flexible, which makes it feel a lot less painful if you should happen to fall. Now, this type of flooring is without a doubt the perfect solution for playrooms or children's rooms, but it's also suitable for commercial use in fitness rooms or physiotherapy areas. If you opt for a rigid vinyl plank floor, you have an additional advantage. SPC floors are embossed and their texture realistically feels like an authentic wooden floor. That makes them even more fun to walk on, even with bare feet, because our floors never feel cold.